How to verify YouTube account without phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and go onto your YouTube account. From there, click onto your profile, then click onto YouTube Studio. As you land onto this page, on your left hand side, click onto Settings, then go on to Channel tab. Under here, click on to Feature Eligibility, and under two option that says Intermediate Feature, you will have to verify your phone number. You can see the option of Verify Phone Number. Simply click onto it, and it will open up a new tab for you. Here, select your country, and under what is your phone number, you have to type your phone number. So to do that, open up a web application and search for a fake phone number or free phone number. Here you will see a phone number that you can just copy and paste. So copy this phone number and head over to your previous tab and enter it here, then click on to get code. Now as you do so, the code has been sent to the phone number that you entered. Go back to the page and refresh a couple times. You will be able to see the code on that page as well. Enter your code, then tap on to submit. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.